This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs.
Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 79 of building the Infinity Gauntlet, the Ring Finger Part 5. Most of the internal structure of the ring finger will be done after this. The time gem returns, so let's read about that. So scared of dying that I stopped time and I can't seem to restart it. Oh, that's not good. Yeah, Adam Warlock. Cool, there we go, all of that. If you want to read the words, feel free. Look at the pictures. I'm just looking at the pictures. Nice stuff. Time Gem has a new guardian, Hector Barista. Don't know who that is. Wolverine, apparently, but I don't know. Very strange. So, the Ring Finger Part 5. The internal structure of the next joint. So, yeah, we've got to put the outside on, the front piece, and then the metal plate in the back, held in place with our screw and bolt and screw in there as well. And then we've got the other side to put in place with a second screw. So finishing off that joint. So we've only got one more connection to build up. Get in there. Soldier Supreme. Again, it's a crazy mashup of another universe and alternate Earth. Stephen Rogers. Oh, I suppose, yes, because it's Stephen Strange, isn't it? So Stephen Rogers makes sense. I do like that. Yeah. Good stuff. I like that. Not that I'm ever going to read any more about it, but it's interesting. We've got Cullen Bunn, King of Terror. So many people involved in the making of these comics over the decades. It is unreal. There we go. That's all of that. And we get the Saga logo back. Right, let's glue this out of the way. Let's get this finger a little bit further along the line. Okay, here we go. I've got 2 spare screws from last time. We've got our washers and our posts and everything that's got to go together. So, first up, we put a washer over there. And then that goes through there again. Excuse the squeaking. Got to go all the way through. There we go. So that's that. Then we need to arrange this onto there. We've got the large semicircle's going to go on there. Actually, it needs to go on there just before it goes all the way home. And so there's enough room to get it underneath that bit. There we go. Oh, nearly. There we go. So that's that on there. Then we can get that over there to hold that all together. Probably don't really need this because we're adding the other side to it now, but it's always nice to keep things held together, isn't it? So there we go. That is that tightened up on there. Good. Then we need the other washer on that bit. That goes across there like that. And that goes onto the other side of that. That lines up there. That lines up over there. And that goes into there. There we go. And one more screw holds that joint together. Getting good at doing these fingers now. I've done enough of them to know what I'm doing most of the time. So there we go, that is that. So we've got top joint there, and then the next joint there. Cool. Soon we'll have the outside plates that go over there, and one more joint to attach that to where it joins up. But for now, another issue has been completed, so I shall see you for more very, very soon. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.